Dallas is a city where architectural styles blend tradition with modern innovation. From classic ranch homes and mid-century designs to contemporary builds and upscale townhomes, homeowners want upgrades that respect their home's character while improving comfort and efficiency. That's why choosing the right replacement windows is about more than energy savings. It's about balancing beauty and function in a way that fits Dallas architecture perfectly. Here's how thoughtfully selected replacement windows enhance both the appearance and performance of Dallas homes. Honoring Dallas's diverse architectural styles. Dallas neighborhoods feature a wide range of home styles, and replacement windows should complement, not compete with, the original design. For example, traditional and ranch-style homes pair well with double-hung or picture windows that preserve classic proportions. Mid-century homes benefit from large picture windows or slim frame sliders that emphasize clean lines. Modern and contemporary homes often shine with expansive glass, black frames, and minimal grids. Choosing windows that align with your home's architectural era ensures a cohesive, timeless look. Enhancing curb appeal without overpowering the design. Windows play a major role in a home's exterior appearance. The right replacement windows enhance curb appeal while maintaining balance and symmetry. Dallas homeowners often focus on matching window proportions to existing openings using consistent grid patterns or grid-free design, selecting frame colors that complement brick, stone, or siding, avoiding oversized or mismatched styles. When windows blend seamlessly into the facade, they elevate the home's overall appearance rather than distracting from it. Energy efficiency. Designed for Dallas heat. Dallas summers are long and hot, making energy efficiency a top priority. Modern replacement windows are engineered to reduce heat transfer while still allowing natural light to brighten interiors. Key performance features include low-E glass coatings that reflect solar heat, double or triple pane glass for insulation, argon gas fills that slow heat movement, tight weather seals that block air leaks. These upgrades help keep homes cooler, reduce reliance on air conditioning, and lower energy bills, without sacrificing aesthetics. Maximizing natural light without excessive heat. Dallas homeowners love bright interiors, but too much sunlight can lead to glare and overheating. Today's replacement windows strike the perfect balance. Modern designs allow large glass areas for natural light, UV protection to prevent furniture fading, tinted or solar-controlled glass for comfort, clear views without harsh glare. This creates comfortable, light-filled spaces ideal for living rooms, kitchens, and home offices. Window styles that improve everyday functionality. Beyond looks, replacement windows must perform well in daily life. Choosing the right window style improves ventilation, usability, and comfort. Popular functional options include casement windows for maximum airflow, double-hung windows for flexible ventilation and easy cleaning, sliding windows for smooth operation in wide openings, picture windows for unobstructed views and light. Selecting styles room by room ensures your windows work as beautifully as they look. Durable materials built for Texas conditions. Dallas weather can be tough on exterior materials. Replacement windows should be built to withstand intense sun, temperature fluctuations, and occasional storms. High-performing materials include vinyl, known for energy efficiency and low-maintenance, fiberglass, offering strength and thermal stability, composite frames, combining durability with design flexibility. These materials maintain their appearance and performance over time, even under harsh Texas sun. Increasing home value with thoughtful window upgrades. Well-chosen replacement windows don't just improve comfort, they increase home value. Buyers in Dallas appreciate homes with modern, energy-efficient windows that reflect thoughtful design choices. Benefits include enhanced curb appeal, lower projected energy costs, improved interior comfort, strong resale appeal. Windows that balance beauty and function make a lasting impression. The perfect blend for Dallas homes. Replacement windows should never force homeowners to choose between style and performance. In Dallas, the best window upgrades honor architectural design while delivering modern efficiency and comfort. By selecting windows that fit your home's style, manage heat effectively, and enhance everyday living, you achieve the ideal balance: beautiful windows that truly work for your Dallas home.